A baby is one of the truest joys in life. It is in fact a blessing. But sometimes this blessing is doomed.
डॉक्टर साहब, मेरी बेटी को थैलेसीमिया है। इसका इलाज कराने के लिए मेरे घर में बेचने के लिए अब कोई बड़ी चीज़ बाकी नहीं रही। अगर आप कहेंगे तो जो कुछ भी बचा है मैं बेच दूंगी, मगर क्या इससे मेरी बेटी का इलाज हो सकता है?
You may have heard about thalassemia, but never actually felt the need to learn more about the disease, because the blood which runs in your body is free from it. In Pakistan, thousands of children suffer from thalassemia and live their lives like candles in the wind. For their parents, the only aim in life is to protect them from this dreaded disease. It is the mission of Hosseini Blood Bank to give hope to parents and help them accomplish their aim. By the grace of Allah Almighty, this mission is moving successfully ahead, and so hope is alive. Hosseini Blood Bank is an institution which offers its services to all, with no discrimination to caste and creed. This is only made possible by generous donations from those who believe the help can make the difference, and in fact, it does. Thalassemia is diagnosed when the child is between 6 months to 1 year of age. The symptoms normally observed are loss of appetite and pale complexion. Children become cranky, and their forehead and cheekbones become prominent. When parents observe these symptoms, they take the child for medical checkup. After blood test, HB electrophoresis, they are told that the child is thalassemia major. This is probably the worst news for parents.
थैलेसीमिया के शिकार ये मासूम बच्चे आज मुकम्मल सेहतमंद होते। अगर इनके माँ बाप का शादी से पहले एक छोटा सा ब्लड स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट HP electrophoresis करवा लिया जाता।
Another important prevention against thalassemia is that if a person is thalassemia minor, he or she must not marry a person who is also thalassemia minor. Therefore, men and women before getting married should go for blood screening HB electrophoresis so that thalassemia minor is identified beforehand. Our highly professional staff leaves no stone unturned to provide care and comfort to the suffering children of thalassemia. We understand the painful nature of the disease. That is why we try to provide them a homely environment to make them feel comfortable. That is why every child who comes for treatment to Hosseini Blood Bank starts considering us as part of his family. We believe where there is a will, there is a way, and are glad to know that in this mission we are not alone. You are with us. Your tremendous support and generous donations encourage us every step of the way. Together, we will take this message of life everywhere. They say, praying to God leads you to heaven, and helping your fellow men takes you closer to Him.
ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरे डॉक्टर साहब हैं। कल मेरा मैच है, कल जाकर प्रैक्टिस करनी है। और बहादुर हूँ, डरता वरता नहीं हूँ। अल्लाह मियाँ जल्दी से मुझे ठीक कर दो।